Hi, so I want to make a quick video on this dual temperature control for internal and external temperature. This is my first test. I'm basically using it inside a yeast starter. So I'm using the internal just to simulate being inside of a real fermenter, which is over there. And then an external temperature is just outside the fermenter, so this is it. I was just touching it, calibrating it with my hand, so the external is a little bit higher than the internal. I also wanted to give you guys a quick preview of the inside of the box. Here's the display, the Arduino. This is Uno R3 with an Ethernet shield on top. And then this is a real-time clock that adds time and date to the whole thing. I've used some, as you guys can see, I used some glue here, some hot glue to make these stick better. Here's the SD card. A trick, if you just want to see what the temperature is, just to take a sample, but not record it, is to depress this thing. This is a little spring, you press it in, press it out, just press it out so it doesn't record it. In your logic, there should be a loop and a conditional, like an if. So it should skip it, it will still give you a readout, just not record it. And I have my power there and a pull-up resistor over here. That's pretty much it. So once you hook it up to your fermenter and you let everything stabilize, you know, it runs for about 10-20 minutes. Then I would press in that card in there, press it in, and it will start to record your data. That's how I have it set up. I'm also gonna expand this project and add a relay to control an external heating source. I'm gonna do that. I will most likely move it to a different box. I would put maybe some switches to turn some things on and off, an indicator, lights, make it pretty, but at this point this is where I'm at. So it takes a reading every 5 seconds. You can change that. You know, it will write less to the SD card every 10 seconds. I've read that if you read and write too much from those SD cards, the cheaper ones, they will corrupt and break. That's just something to keep in mind. I do try to spend a little bit more money on the SD cards if you want them to last longer. Finally, I have this little reader. I take the SD card out, stick it in here. It supports different cards, and then it's a USB thing. Just plug it into your computer, boom, and you can read the data like that. Simple. It doesn't have to be complex. And that's it. I'll let this run for 48 hours and then I'll make a chart later. Bye.